Ever wondered how your spare change could grow into something more? Like, seriously grow? Not just sit idly in your bank account, but actually work for you? Well, that's where Raiz Invest comes in. But before we dive into the nitty-gritty of their technology, let's rewind a bit. Imagine this: you're grabbing a coffee. It's $5. You pay with your card, and boom, a spare 50 cents gets automatically invested. Sounds too good to be true? That's the magic of micro-investing, and Raiz is a pioneer in this space. Now, you might be thinking, investing? That sounds complicated and risky. But hear me out. Raiz has built a clever system that takes the complexity out of investing. They've basically democratized it, making it accessible to everyone, even if you're just starting out. No need to be a financial guru or have a mountain of cash. Raiz makes investing as easy as, well, spending money. So, what's the secret sauce behind Raiz technology? Let's break it down. Roundup investing. Remember that 50 cents from your coffee? That's roundup investing in action. Raiz automatically rounds up your everyday purchases to the nearest dollar and invests the spare change. It's like finding extra money in your pocket, except it's growing. Automated investing. Setting up your Raiz account is a breeze. You link your bank account, choose your investment preferences, like how much risk you're comfortable with, and let the magic happen. Raiz handles the rest, automatically investing your spare change or scheduled contributions. Diversification. Worried about putting all your eggs in one basket? Raiz offers diversified portfolios, meaning your money is spread across a range of assets like stocks, bonds, and even ETFs. This helps to minimize risk and potentially maximize returns. Fractional shares. You don't need a fortune to invest in the stock market. Raiz allows you to buy fractions of shares, making it possible to invest in even the most expensive companies. Ethical investing. Want to invest in line with your values? Raiz offers a range of socially responsible investment options, allowing you to support companies that align with your ethical and environmental beliefs. But why should you care about all this tech? Because it makes investing effortless and accessible. Start small, grow big. You can start investing with just a few cents. Over time, those small contributions can add up significantly, thanks to the power of compounding. Build wealth over time. Raiz is a long-term investment strategy. By consistently investing small amounts, you can build a solid financial foundation for the future. Take control of your finances. Raiz empowers you to take control of your financial future. It's a simple yet powerful tool that can help you achieve your financial goals, whether it's buying a house, traveling the world, or simply enjoying a more comfortable retirement. Now, you might be wondering about the risks. Investing always carries some level of risk, but Raiz mitigates this through diversification and by offering a range of risk profiles to suit different investor needs. So, there you have it. Raiz Invest technology is making investing accessible, effortless, and even enjoyable. It's a game changer for those looking to build wealth and achieve their financial goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.